Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can change a language on Pluto TV. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. Now to access your Pluto TV, all you gotta do is access your browser and type in Pluto TV and you will find the result right away. Now make sure it is available in your region, and all you gotta do is tap on it and simply start browsing, and then you can go ahead and click the video of which you would like to change the language to watch according to your need. Which we will be doing is the captions. The captions are available for us to be changed. So what you're going to be doing is, and to change the language on a particular video that you will be watching is, you're going to go ahead and locate the video that you would like to watch. So while watching a video, look for the audio and subtitles button, that which will be available at the bottom. Then simply have to tap on it, and once you have tapped on the particular option, then you will be able to choose your desired language from the list of options of which you would like to change it to, and that's how your language will be changed. You can also do the same for the captions as well. Simply go ahead, tap on the subtitles, and go ahead, change it to the language that you would want, and that will simply update accordingly, and your video will be start playing on the language that you have changed to. So that's basically how you do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.